Hey, what's happening? Ken Stroker here. Chin of Buttercup. Got pretty windy, pretty sandy. Damn, everybody's pretty much knocked out, but there's some hardcore dudes like me out here, but they got toy haulers and shit. Check it all out. Here I got my shit. Yeah, long safety man, it's pretty dusty, windy. Sun's going down. Cranking. Party. Come on. Yeah, sandstorm real big. Can't really see it with the video, but oh, there we go. There's a little bit of light on. Come on, it's blowing big. Big sand issues. About 30-mile-an-hour winds. Probably pick up to about 50 or 60 later. This is good. My friend Dennis over there. He's looking up, check my phone so I can make this video. All right. Party. Party. I'm Ken Stroker, and I endorse this message. And don't forget, visit your local dealer. And ride red.